Kasing HNYF Women's Wing.
KC Lights, a school choir from Kiddies Corner Secondary School, Shillong, has achieved remarkable success by winning 7 gold medals for India since its inception in 2013. The choir, currently comprising 24 students, is guided by Brian Walang, the school's headmaster and the choir director. Over the years, KC Lights has participated in multiple international competitions, earning accolades in countries like Malaysia, Bali, Thailand and Sri Lanka. Formed as an extension of the school's annual musical, the choir was created to channel the students' enthusiasm for music into a focused group.
Everyone loves music, and what happened, we produce musicals every year in school, and one year after the musical, children are feeling really bored, so they thought, why not form a choir, and that's what we did. And so after that we started traveling, so we've been to many countries already. We've got 7 gold medals for India so far, the last being last year in Malaysia. Before that we were in Bali, then in Thailand, then in Sri Lanka. So they've got 7 gold medals so far for our country. For next year we've been invited to 3 countries actually for 3 competitions, but because of not being able to get sponsorship, so let's see what happens. Because they're having the Afro-Asia Pacific Games in Mauritius, then they're having one more in Vienna in Austria, and the 3rd one is in Thailand. So we're just going to see where we can, if we're able to raise funds, whichever place we are able to go to, we'll go there. Yeah.